Okay, so in this experiment we are going to interface a dual DAC add-on card to the 805 microcontroller. Okay, so for the interfacing what we require is a FRC cable which will interface 805 to the dual DAC. Okay, so the connection is similar to the other interfacing with the add-on cords. Okay, now so for the operation of the add-on cord we require additional 3 voltages, that is plus 12 volts, minus 12 volts and the 0. So these 3 voltages are obtained from the regulated power supply which will be connected to the add-on cord, a dual DAC add-on cord. Again in this 4-pin port there is a gap between these 2 pins. The similar gap is provided between these 2 pins in the add-on cord, so we have to be very careful while making a connection. Okay, so this will provide the power supply for the add-on cord. So this FRC cable will interface microcontroller to the add-on cord. So using this add-on cord we are going to generate waveforms, different kind of waveforms. Okay, fine. So in this code we have written a C code to generate a triangular waveform. Okay, so we will see the operation of the program now. We will execute the program now. So the first step is always, after writing the code, save the file, build target, add the source code to the project, build target, make sure that the errors are 0. Once the errors are 0 you can proceed to the next step. Next step is make sure that the frequency is set as 11.0592 MHz. Use on-chip ROM is enabled. Go to debug, select kill monitor driver, select serial interrupt, press OK and OK. So next step is debug start session. Again before debug start session is executed, make sure that the regulated power supply is on, that is main board should be on. Okay, press OK. So next is debug run. Okay, now the code is running. So we can view the output in the oscilloscope. So connect the oscilloscope to this add-on cord. So this point goes to the ground point, and this point is connected to the Y out pin. There are 2 outputs, X out and Y out. And on the oscilloscope we can see that triangular waveform is generated. So you can adjust the timings, okay, and you can measure the amplitude of the triangular waveform generated in the oscilloscope.